Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. If you run an agency or work together with a team to create marketing campaigns, you may not have time to do everything yourself. That's why OptinMonster offers sub-accounts. Sub-accounts let you share access to your OptinMonster account with the people you work with, so you don't have to manage every campaign yourself. As an account administrator, you can allocate user roles to delegate who can view, create, or manage campaigns, and apply these user permissions to domains, campaigns, and integrations. Sub-accounts streamline campaign management and facilitate cross-team collaboration while allowing separate reporting for each client. And you'll be able to keep track of changes via the OptinMonster activity log. Lead generation just doesn't get much easier than this. OptinMonster works on all types of websites, and we have integrations with all the major email marketing service providers. So, are you ready to share OptinMonster access with coworkers, consultants, and clients? Use the code in the description to receive a special discount and create your risk-free OptinMonster account today.